Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can create your PIN in Signal Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Install the Signal app on your phone. If you don't have it, you can download and install it from the Play Store. The next thing you want to do to create a PIN for yourself is click on your profile, then tap on Account. After that, you can see right on the Signal PIN there is Change Your PIN option. Go ahead and tap on Change Your PIN. And now you should create your own PIN. Go ahead and create a PIN which is at least 4 digits. Go ahead and tap on Next and enter your confirmed PIN. Tap on Next and make sure that you have re-entered the PIN which you did before and both of them matches. Go ahead and tap on Next. Wait for a while and a PIN is being created for yourself. So after you create a PIN, you can see that you can change your PIN as well. So as soon as you try to log into this account, you will automatically be asked for a PIN. So let's go ahead and try this option. So right now you can see that no PIN is being asked. If you go to advanced PIN setting, you can easily disable your PIN as well. So every time you try to log into your account, you will be asked a PIN. Make sure you remember this PIN because you can reset it later, but why cause trouble for yourself? So guys, I hope this video about how you can create your PIN in Signal Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.